Hello and namaste. Today we will be visiting a lavish under construction project in Vileparle East, that is the heart of Mumbai. The location is surrounded by educational institutes. We have schools like Parle Tirak. We also have colleges like NMIMS, Sati College and Mitibai around us. This project is a composite structure G+13 with 2 wings. The name of the project is Ivy Marvel. It is just 3 minutes away from the railway station and 3 minutes away from Western Express Highway. The Mumbai airport is just 10 minutes driving distance from here. So let's go and watch this project which has 1 and 3 BHK units. Come. The developer has made this makeshift walkway towards their B wing. Just thinking about the clients who will be coming over here to visit the site. Thinking about their safety so that nothing undesirable things happen on this site. Talking about the possession, the developer is promising the possession is in 2023, which is a year prior to their RERA possession date, which is in 2024. Considering present status, RCC work has been completed till 8th floor and this building is till 13th floor. So of course, it looks very achievable to get this possession by 2023. Let me welcome you to their 1 BHK unit wherein they are giving vitrified tiles of Satvario marble and also a full height window wherein you will be enjoying the view of South Bombay as well as airport diagonally. Talking about the kitchen, they are giving full height dado in kitchen with a window and also 2 kitchen platforms, having 2 such units wherein they are giving dry balcony in the kitchen itself. Talking about the bedroom, they are having a massive bedroom up to 120 square feet with an attached washroom. The washroom has a full height dado and sanitary fixtures from Jaguar. Of course, we know Jaguar for its luxurious finish. In hall, we have this common washroom having a full height dado and Jaguar finishing sanitary ware. With all the electrical fixtures from Legrand, the developer is promising a robotic car park system which will automate your parking system with just a click away from your mobile. They are also providing barbecue terrace wherein you can spend your Sunday making tikkas with your family and enjoy your Sunday. Or probably you can spend your time chilling with your spouse in the garden which they are providing on terrace. They are also giving indoor games unit wherein you can have a competitive small game with your children or with your spouse of carom or maybe TT. So of course they are guaranteeing the entertainment as well as a lavish flat at Ivy Marvel. Talking about the present status of the project, this project is ready with its 9th slab. You can see the reinforcement is already done and the slab is ready to be casted.